Hello friends, welcome again. So we are again with a new video on a Excel basics. So last time we got few feedback related to improve our quality of a video. Thank you for the feedback. So now in this video we will discuss about sum function. So we'll start with the formulas right now in this video. So first formula is to use sum. So we have a data. If you want to calculate the total of sales, we want to do a sum. Then what we have to do, we can use a formula equals to sum and then range. Okay, equals to sum, then bracket, and then we can select the range. Then bracket close and enter. So this is a formula for sum. If we want, so this is a simple formula. So we also did some in our school days also, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So this is how we the same thing we are doing in Excel. So just writing sum, bracket start, select the range, then bracket close and enter. It will give you a result total of selected cells. So if we write sum, number 1, number 2, what we want to write. If we click on FX here, then we can get the same thing here. Number 1, number 2, number 3. So what is number 1? Number 1 is this. Then what is number 2 is this. So when I click on number 3, it will appear the number 4 option. Seen it? Yes. So you can manually also type if you want, just want 3 cells from the top and 3 cells from the bottom. Here is the result. If your calculation is correct, it will show you a result over here only. If there is some error, it will not show the result. So then you can got things ki what the formula you have applied, it is not correct. Click OK, it gives you a result. So sum of 3 from the top, 3 from the bottom. So this is a formula which you need to apply to do a calculation called sum. There is a one shortcut for it to do a total or sum, which is Alt and plus. It will automatically write the entire thing of a formula and select a range. How it will select a range? So it will select a range which contains the data next to it. So is it on a left side or upward side? So it will calculate this only. So if we have number written here 1 2 3 4 this, and I'll do alt plus, it will do this. But if I press here, it will not do this to the right. So alt plus only work for left or upward. Okay friend, now the next formula is count. So if we want to count the number of cells or number of days, anything you want to count in a in an Excel sheet, you can use this formula. So count is to just count 1 2 3 4. So if we want to count the number of cells which contain the data, so I'll just write equals to count Then I have selected this 11. It means 11 rows which I've selected all have the data. So if I remove a data from here, so it means only 10 rows of a selected range have a data. Okay. And shortcut for this is Alt MUC. Alt MUC. It counted the same thing. Next formula is for average. So friend, what is average? So we studied in our school time also how to calculate average. To calculate average, sum all the available data and divided by the count. So in Excel, we don't have to do the sum and then we have to count and then we have to divide it. So we don't have to do entire this thing. We just need to write equals to average, and then we need to select the range for which we want the average. It will calculate it automatically. It will do sum and divide within itself and give us a result. So this is a result for a average, and shortcut for this is Alt MUA. So friend, these are the basic formula of Excel which you use frequently. If you are preparing a small report or a test report or doing a practice, or you are making a heavy files or a heavy reports for a company or for anyone, you will use these formulas very frequently, and these are the basic formula of Excel. So that's all for the today's video. Keep watching our channel. We will provide you some more videos related to the formula and the advanced feature of Excel. Thank you, friends.